Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I want to talk to you today about how I read the market. Now, the market is basically a roadmap, and if we understand the way the market moves, and we understand that volume precedes price action, and price action is reactive to supply and demand, it makes it very easy for us to take consistent and profitable trades. Take a quick second. Look over this disclaimer real quick. Anything I share with you is for information and educational purposes only. Now, I was watching the light sweet crude market on an intraday time frame, and you can see to the left of the screen that is my areas of what we call supply and demand, or support and resistance, depending on what term you really were most introduced to. Either way, they mean the same thing. So you can see on my intraday chart, where I was trading on the 3-minute chart, when and where the market is most likely to either stall and or potentially reverse. Well, look at what happened when the market rallied into an area of supply. It reversed to an area of demand. And then what did it do again? It reversed and re-rallied its way back through what I call the field of play. The field of play is the area between your supply and your demand zones. Now you can see we have two active supply and demand zones, and we want to trade within that area. We know that that's our highest probability that the price is likely to react in between there. So what happened? Well, very simple. Price had hit an area of supply. Volume had stepped in. We saw that the selling volume picked up, and it pushed the price all the way down to an area of demand. But when the price found the area of demand, you see that big green candle? That's where the buyer stepped in, turned around, and basically reversed the price. We call that a trend reversal. So, like I said, if you understand volume and you understand price action, and then you understand that it's reactive to supply and demand, you can read the market like a roadmap. Now, you can do this on any time frame, on any asset class, whether it's futures, forex, equities, indices, it doesn't matter. The concept of the way the market moves is all the same, and that's what we teach here at Hawkeye Traders. Hustle until you no longer have to introduce yourself. Listen, once you've made a presence in whatever it is you're doing in your life, whether it's in your personal relationships, your business relationships, people recognize the hustle, they recognize you for the hustle, and they associate you with the hustle. You don't need to introduce yourself any longer because you are well known anytime and anywhere that you show up. And it becomes a really humbling feeling to know that, you know what, you've impacted somebody's life to some extent, that they recognize you. And it's a good thing, and it's a positive thing. Now, if you'd like to learn more, guys, there's a link directly below. Just click on it. It's going to take you to the Project vSwarm webinar. You can always check us out at HawkeyeTraders.com, and we are available for you via email and phone call any time of the day. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying well. Bless you all, and I hope you have a profitable day, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Take care.